Hi, welcome back to my AI Wizard channel. Today I will show you how to create a funny animation from your images or drawings. Using a free AI tool in just 1 minute or less, you can use it to create animations for content creation. Make sure you have already prepared your image or drawing. In this video, I will be using an image from Google. You can also use AI generated images from Midjourney, Adobe Firefly Blue Willow, or another AI image generator. So let's get started. First, go to the animated drawing website. You can find the link in this video description. Click on the Get Started button to continue. Next, click on Upload Photo and select your image after your image is fully uploaded. Click Next to continue. Select the area where your character is located. Click Next. When you are done, the AI will automatically create a mask for your character. If the mask does not cover all of your image, you can manually add or remove selections using the pencil and eraser buttons. After that, click Next. Set the joints for your character by clicking and dragging them. This step is very important. For your character's movement, click Next. When you are done setting the joints, select an animation from the animation list. Choose the best animation for your character, such as dance movements, funny movements, jumping, or walking. You can also add narration in a story. Is set, click the zoom button and select download to save your animation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share to support me. See you in the next AI tutorial video.